Look at this. All I have to do to earn money is to leave a like, close the pop-up, and repeat the process. I can now open another one, leave a like, close it, and earn money once more. The first step is to go to this website called likeforlike.org. I can do this again and again from nearly anywhere in the world, and I can make up to $800 a day using this new website. Yes, it's entirely free. You can utilize this website to earn money by liking posts on Facebook, and if you'd like, other social media networks like Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube are also available to you. TikTok, Pinterest, and many others, so essentially, you'll be trading likes for likes here. If you simply trade likes for likes, you probably won't be able to make any money. Instead, you'll need to set it up in a way that I'll walk you through step by step in this video. Earn a lot of money for individuals who share my interests, so let me start by asking you to register on this website. To do this, click the Register button in the upper right corner of the website. From there, create a username, a password, and an email address. Click the I agree to terms and conditions button, then select I'm not a robot. Finally, click the Submit button to finish the process. Your profile, once you log in, you will see that your dashboard looks like this. You have a lot of options available like bonuses, special offers, free credits, and so on, but you don't have those when you're not logged in, so you want to leave it like that. The second step is to go to Facebook.com and create a new account if you haven't already. I recommend creating a new account specifically for this purpose. Once you do that, simply log in. Next, from the options that appear, search for Make Money Online. Available, select groups from there and activate the Public Groups option. From there, you can join a variety of public groups without requiring permission, but the majority of these groups have since closed. Instead, open a few groups and new tabs, and my goal is for you to identify the groups that are still active, where members are still posting, liking, and commenting on each other's posts. For example, in this group, members are liking each other's most recent posts. Once you locate 4 or 5 active groups like these, to publish something in each of these groups, and this is what you need to write. We can alter the lines a little bit, and if you'd like, you may personalize it with your own words. Alternatively, you can simply copy and paste the identical script from this page. It feels great to make money online, so if you're looking for some extra cash, I suggest registering for a free account on this really easy website. After that, you can leave a link next to this. Don't worry, this will be very easy to set up and only require one post. We'll begin earning $3 for each like you receive on those posts, so simply copy and paste this script into this group post. Before I show you the third platform, like this video and give it a big thumbs up. This will help you to get more money-making videos on your YouTube account. The third step is to visit afplus.com, where we can find thousands of different CPA offers. If you're not familiar with CPA, it stands for cost per action, which means all we have to do is grab a referral link for some of those networks. And if someone uses our link to sign up by providing their first and last name, email address, and other details, we will be paid. This means that they won't have to pay for anything. All they have to do is sign up. You can see all the rates at which we can be paid, but we are concentrating on specific offers, and those specific offers are going to be the survey websites. You want to type in a survey right here in the search box, and it will provide you with all those different websites that will pay you around $1.70 to encourage someone to complete that survey website. But as you can see, we have a ton of high-paying offers here that pay much more than that. Some of them pay as much as $2, $3, or even $6 per lead. However, the offer that we will use for this method is this one right here. It's a survey offer from the Survey Junkie website, and the reason I want you to use it is because in the survey niche, Survey Junkie is a very trustworthy and dependable website, and second, it pays $3 per lead, which is really awesome. In order to run the Survey Junkie offer, you must first join this network. Here, you can see how the actual offer will look, and if you'd like, preview the landing page of our offer by clicking on it. People will visit this website through your affiliate link, and once they realize they can make money there, they will click the Join Now button. They will then only need to enter their email address and sign up for this website. They can also use their Facebook or Google account. We will receive $3 for each sign up via our affiliate link. First, you must sign up for a free account on this network in order to obtain your referral link for the Survey Junkie offer from that network. The joining process is fairly simple, so I won't go into that here. The fourth step is to return to your Facebook post and paste your referral link there so that whenever someone clicks on it and signs up for a free account, you'll be paid $3 for each sign-up. Additionally, you can attach screenshots of your PayPal earnings to this, and if you don't currently have any earnings, you can simply search for PayPal earning proofs on Google, then choose the images option. This will display a variety of PayPal earning proofs, some of which you can open up and save to your device. Next, return to your Facebook post and attach the PayPal earning proof you downloaded. Once you post this and that Make Money Online group, I want you to grab the link for that post and copy it. Finally, before we move on, please subscribe to my friend Finance Girl's channel. She uploads the newest and most effective ways to make money online, and I'll leave a link to her channel. According to the video's description, the fifth step is to visit likeforlike.org. To accomplish this, first log in to your Like4Like account. Then scroll down a little till you find the explanation of how Like4Like operates. You can see that you may gain free credits by loving content and others will like it in return. In essence, you will receive free points in your account anytime you like Facebook posts or pages. You can use these points to acquire Facebook likes. Facebook updates views of Facebook videos, likes on Instagram, Twitter retweets, or any of the alternatives listed above. So when you copy the Facebook post link and that group that makes money online, all you have to do is go to this page, click the Add New button, then click the Select Features section and choose Facebook likes. From there, you'll see some more fields to fill out. First, paste the URL of your Facebook post. The next box is optional, so you can leave it blank. Next, choose credits for like, which is the amount of likes you want to sacrifice from your account for each Facebook post like. The more points you choose, the quicker your Facebook post will receive likes. We advise you to use this method for issues under 6 points, so let's say we only select 3. Then, all you have to do is click submit, and your campaign will go live and you will start receiving likes on your Facebook post. All you have to do now is gather as many credit points as you can, which you can then exchange for likes on your Facebook post. The sixth step is to hover your mouse over this, and you can either like different Facebook posts or share various Facebook posts, among other things, and each time you carry out one of these actions, you will be credited with points. For instance, let's take the case of Facebook likes. On this page, simply click the button that says Like beneath the Facebook icon. A new window will open, and you will need to leave a like before closing it. You can repeat this process to earn as many points as you like, which will be automatically deducted from your Facebook account. This is it for today. Enjoy this video, and if you want to make more money, click on the video that is currently playing on the screen. Post likes are the points you earn by liking other people's posts or by completing other tasks. These points are then used to promote your Facebook posts. The more likes your posts receive in this group, the more they will reach out to these group members.